it's Anya here at the blog ourgibblethome.com, where I like to share tips for a simple, beautiful, healthy, and sustainable living. In today's video, I would like to share with you how you can make your own candles. This is a really fun and easy project to do with kids. This could also be a nice gift for the holidays, stocking stuffers. There's a lot of ideas how you can use your homemade candles, and then of course I actually like to just use them in my own home. So what you'll need for your candles is some jar, because we'll be pouring these. And I have these from IKEA. They're actually tea light holders, but I think they're just the perfect size for a homemade candle. You can also use a small mason jar or any other jar that you have at home. And then you'll either be using beeswax. I'll be linking all these supplies in the description box below so that you can find them. So beeswax has a bit of a honey smell. I actually really like that, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make one type of candle with beeswax, which I think is just perfect on its own. And then you can also use 100% soy wax. Now they're both natural, they're not paraffin, they're not petroleum based, they don't give any weird fumes into your house. And I actually like the soy based better for when I'm adding any scents to it, essential oils. I find that the slight honey smell of the beeswax is a little bit overpowering, and I like that on its own. And then if I want to make some scented candles, I use the soy wax. And then you'll be needing wicks. You can also get these in a kit, or you can get them separately. So let me show you what they look like. They have the metal base and they're pure cotton. And then depending on whether you buy a kit or not, often in a kit you'll be getting these wick holders that you just place right here into your jar, and it keeps the wick right in the middle. If you don't have that, if you don't want to invest in it, you can also, when you go and get Chinese takeout, you've probably seen these chopsticks, and they're perfect because they lay flat and you can just squeeze the wick right into the middle between these, and then they sit on top of your jar and you can let the wax harden. If you'd like to add some essential oils, as I said, soy wax works a little bit better than the beeswax. You can add some lavender. I have some jack pine, or Plant Therapy has a really lovely scent for the fall, apple pie, and you can just use any blend you want. I suggest you use about 20 drops, and then you can make your own scented candles for your home. that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new content every week. You can also go to my blog, ourgabledhome.com, where I have more tips and recipes, and I look forward to seeing you here next time. Thank you so much for watching.